Agra Petha, Agra is famous for Petha. Amritsar, Amritsari kulcha, Amritsar is famous for Amritsari kulcha. Delhi Chole Bhature, Delhi is famous for Chole Bhature. Lucknow Tunde Kebab, Lucknow is famous for Tunde Kebab. Hyderabad Biryani, Hyderabad is famous for biryani. Jaipur Dal Bati Churma, Jaipur is famous for Dal Bati Churma. Indore Indore is famous for poha. Mumbai Vada Pav, Mumbai is famous for Vada Pav. Ahmedabad Dokla, Ahmedabad is famous for Dokla. Surat Loko, Surat is famous for lo. Mysore Pak, Mysuru is famous for Mysore Pak. Chennai Idli is famous for idli. Bengaluru Masala Dosa, Bengaluru is famous for masala dosa. Kolkata Rasgulla, Kolkata is famous for rasgulla. Puri Khaja, Puri is famous for khaja. Varanasi Kachori is famous for kachori. Mathura Peda is famous for peda. Bikaner Bhujia is famous for bhujia. Jodhpur Mawa Kachori is famous for Mawa Kachori. Udaipur Dal Bati is famous for Dal Bati. Patna Litti Chokha, Patna is famous for Litti Chokha. Gaya Tilkut is famous for Tilkut. Srinagar Kahwa, Srinagar is famous for Kahwa. Shimla Siddu is famous for Siddu. Goa Bebinka, Goa is famous for Bebinka. Nagpur Santra Barfi, Orange Barfi, Nagpur is famous for Orange Barfi. Kanpur Thaggu ke Laddu, Kanpur is famous for Thaggu ke Laddu. Prayagraj Kachori is famous for Kachori. Meerut Rewadi is famous for Rewadi. Aligarh Milk Cake is famous for milk cake. Bhopal Poha Jalebi, Bhopal is famous for Poha Jalebi. Gwalior Gajak is famous for Gajak. Morena is famous for Gajak. Raipur Farah is famous for Farah. Bilaspur Chila is famous for Chila. Ranchi Dhuska is famous for Dhuska. Jamshedpur is famous for Dhuska. Bhubaneswar Dahi Bara Aloo Dum, Bhubaneswar is famous for Dahi Bara Aloo Dum. Cuttack Razabali is famous for Razabali. Siliguri Momo is famous for momos. Darjeeling is famous for momos. Gangtok Thukpa is famous for thukpa. Itanagar Thukpa is famous for thukpa. Shillong Jado is famous for jado. Agartala Mui Borok is famous for Mui Borok. Imphal Aromba is famous for Aromba. Kohima smoked pork Kohama is famous for smoked pork. Aizawl is famous for bai. Dispur is famous for pita. Guwahati Asamiya Thali Guwahati is famous for Assamese thali. Dehradun Kafuli is famous for kafuli. Nainital Bal Mithai is famous for Bal Mithai. Almora Bal Mithai is famous for Bal Mithai. Haridwar Kachori is famous for kachori. Chandigarh Chole Kulche is famous for Chole Kulche. Ludhiana Makki Ki Roti Ludhiana is famous for Makki Ki Roti. Hisar Bajre Ki Roti Bajra Roti Hisar is famous for Bajra Roti. Gurugram Paratha is famous for paratha. Faridabad Chole Bhature Faridabad is famous for Chole Bhature. Patiala Lassi is famous for lassi. Ajmer is famous for ghevar. Kota Kachori is famous for kachori. Bharatpur Rabri is famous for rabri. Jaisalmer Karsangri is famous for karsangri. Mount Abu Malpua. Mount Abu Malpua. Mount Abu is famous for Malpua. Pune misal pav. Pune misal pav. Pune is famous for misal pav. Nasik misal. Nashik misal. Nashik is famous for misal. Kolhapur tambra rasa. Kolhapur tambra rasa. Kolhapur is famous for tambra rasa. Solapur shengdana chutney. Solapur peanut chutney. Solapur is famous for peanut chutney. Aurangabad naan kaliya. Aurangabad naan kaliya. Aurangabad is famous for naan kaliya. Vadodara sev usal. Vadodara sev usal. Vadodara is famous for sev usal. Rajkot khaman. Rajkot khaman. Rajkot is famous for khaman. Bhavnagar gathia. Bhavnagar gathia. Bhavnagar is famous for gathia. Jamnagar makhaniya lassi. Jamnagar makhaniya lassi. Jamnagar is famous for makhaniya lassi. Kutch dabeli. Kutch dabeli. Kutch is famous for dabeli. Vijayawada Andhra biryani. Vijayawada Andhra biryani. Vijayawada is famous for Andhra biryani. Vishakhapatnam fish curry. Vishakhapatnam fish curry. Vishakhapatnam is famous for fish curry. Tirupati laddu. Tirupati laddu. Tirupati is famous for laddu. Madurai Jigarthanda. Madurai Jigarthanda. Madurai is famous for Jigarthanda. Coimbatore dosa. Coimbatore dosa. Coimbatore is famous for dosa. Tiruchirappalli idli. Tiruchirappalli idli. Tiruchirappalli is famous for idli. Mangaluru neer dosa. Mangaluru neer dosa. Mangaluru is famous for neer dosa. Udupi. Udupi dosa. Udupi. Udupi dosa. Udupi is famous for Udupi dosa. Hubli Dharwad peda. Hubali Dharwad peda. Hubali is famous for Dharwad peda. Kochi appam. Kochi appam. Kochi is famous for appam. Thiruvananthapuram puttu. Thiruvananthapuram puttu. Thiruvananthapuram is famous for puttu. Kozhikode halwa. Kozhikode halwa. Kozhikode is famous for halwa. Panji fish curry. Panji fish curry. Panji is famous for fish curry. Daman seafood. Daman seafood. Daman is famous for seafood. Diu prawn curry. Diu prawn curry. Diu is famous for prawn curry. Port Blair seafood. Port Blair seafood. Port Blair is famous for seafood. Leh Thukpa. Leh Thukpa. Leh is famous for thukpa. Kargil momo. Kargil momos. Kargil is famous for momos. Srinagar Rogan Josh. Srinagar Rogan Josh. Srinagar is famous for Rogan Josh. Jammu Rajma Chawal. Jammu Rajma Chawal. Jammu is famous for Rajma Chawal. Noida street food. Noida street food. Noida is famous for street food. Ghaziabad chaat. Ghaziabad chaat. Ghaziabad is famous for chaat. Ujjain poha. Ujjain poha. Ujjain is famous for poha. Sagar bhutte ka keez. Sagar bhutte ka keez. Sagar is famous for bhutte ka keez. भारत स्वादिष्ट व्यंजनों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है. India is famous for delicious dishes. Every city has a special dish.